स्पीकर सर, आज एक क्लब, इलीगल क्लब ऑपरेट जाता, 25 लोक मरता. That also was operating on an illegal salt pan. Anik, salt pans that are governed by CRZ. Who denotified these lands? Birch at Baga basically was a graveyard created by this government, Honorable Speaker sir. Konkani ne ek mona tha. Dodyaad, Mosonpad. Speaker sir, aaj Conoj from the ruling are just looking at the other way. No one is taking the responsibility. I know, Speaker sir, that this sounds crude, but there is blood on the hands of this government for the 25 murders of people who died for no fault of theirs.